Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on now? Well, I have that red Chevy Silverado with the 6-liter in it, the one that has the engine making noise. I want to try to figure out what's actually happening. I have not looked at it yet. The only thing I did was set it up on the lift. That's it. I actually pulled this in over the weekend, and now I'm going to actually get a chance to look at it. So if you recall, it's making some weird noises. Almost sounds like a cracked flex plate, but there's also another noise, and I'm not quite sure what it is. So let's start it up in the shop. It's cold. Like I said, I have not run it at all. So let's see what it does. So here it is. I definitely hear an exhaust leak. But it's funny, that growling type noise, if I put my hand on here, I can feel it in the body of the vehicle. So let me put this thing up and let's see what's going on. No reason for you to watch this whole part. All right, so underneath, you definitely hear that. It definitely sounds like it's. That definitely sounds like it's up inside there. I'm gonna have to take that cover down, but to get that cover down, I'm pretty sure I gotta drop the exhaust on this thing. But maybe I can get it down just enough to see. Now this thing's got a wicked rear main seal leak and a tranny leak too. All right, let me let this thing down and shut it off, and then I'm gonna put it back up and take that cover off. So I just wanted to show you real quick. I don't know if you guys know what these are. We refer to them as pig mats or absorber mats. I get these things on Amazon. I have them at home too. I get them for the shop through Amazon. Fantastic product. They absorb oil and stuff like that. I would not not have them at my shop. Let's put it that way. So something to think about. So here, what I got to do is take these two bolts out here, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I may be able to just lower this thing down enough to actually get a view of the flex plate and see what's going on. So that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to go that route first and see what happens. So let me just start doing that. Okay, and as I suspected, there is a crack in the flex plate. I can see it. It's very difficult to see, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get you guys to see it in the video. Oh, yeah, in the video. But I can definitely see a crack. So I'm thinking that's all this noise is. Let's see. All right, so we have to look up inside there. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. I apologize. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to. It's right there. Can you see that circular opening? Dang it, hold on. Trying to see if I can't get this thing to focus in on it. Of course, it's not cooperating right now. Hang on. Let me see if I can't get it. You see where the blue is and that circle? Come on, focus in. No, it's not going to want to do it. You know what? Let me try my Boroscope. I'll hook my Boroscope up to my phone here and see if that can't show what I'm actually seeing. Okay, so I did include it. I was able to see it clearly with the Boroscope. So yeah, so it's got a cracked flex plate. So I got to start there. I'm pretty confident that's going to be all the noise. Apparently, he had taken it to another shop because this friend of mine, he lives 4 hours away. He took it to another shop, and they said no, it wasn't the flex plate. So okay, they said it was a motor, engine. Obviously, it's not that. So. All right, I'm just gonna mount that cover up just so I can still pull it outside, and then we're gonna have to get onto this. This is not gonna be me doing this job. This is gonna be a shop job. So I'm gonna have to work up an estimate for him. I can't do this on my own. I don't have the time or energy, honestly. So, all right, well, that's gonna be it. At least we know what the noise is now, right? So, all right, well, hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, if you want to look down in the description, you should see links for some products, and I'll put those absorber mats in there too. They're a little on the expensive side, but to me, they're worth it. Heck of a lot better than kitty litter. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.